In a jaw-dropping maritime moment,
A Chinese Navy
destroyer accidentally collided with its own Coast Guard ship in the South China Sea.
The incident happened near the contested Scarborough Shoal during a high-speed maneuver.
Dramatic footage shows the massive warship,
Hull number 164, smashing into the smaller vessel, leaving its bow visibly crushed. Despite the heavy damage, both ships remained afloat.
The video, released by the Philippine Coast Guard,
captures the 10 seconds before impact, as the naval vessel closed in dangerously on another patrol boat. Experts say such rare accidents
can highlight the risks of operating large,
ships in tight,
contested waters.
To dive deeper, click the link to watch our full video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. See you there.